and Ronald Evans have been named for the final Apollo flight, Apollo 17. Schmidt is a first among flying astronauts. He's primarily a geologist rather than a pilot.
When we made the final selection of the crew for Apollo 17, that was done in concert with Deke Slayton, who was the head of flight crew operations at the time. And I was never too pleased with the process that was followed there, because I thought it was too much in the hands of Mr. Slayton.
Jack was taken off of my crew and assigned to Apollo 17. I didn't think that was very fair. And I said, well, I can't take Jack Schmidt off my crew and give him to somebody else.
He may have had a right to be somewhat bitter. I got to flight and he didn't. And, he tells me that today because he said, you took my flight. And I may have.